is really spicy. It's very spicy. You gotta be careful. She will burn your fucking hands. Alright, listen guys, I want to see if you are a subscriber. Gently hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Select all, and you will see all of these really great pictures, great stuff. And also my Instagram, hit me up at GPG444. I like to officially say that Z30 Concepts is the choice of all my aesthetic parts. I choose Z30 Concept. They are amazing. My good friends over in Arizona, they're awesome. They will help you to put in the most hard to find parts for your Z30, which is the Lexus SC300. But anyway guys, I'm gonna do a POV, and I haven't been driving in this car for a long time. You know, God protect me, hope all this goes well. I'm gonna go pick up some fresh E85 at the Shell gas station. I do not use any other gas but Shell. E85, I know they're not the maker of the E85, they're just supplied, but I know they're a top tier provider for the E85. So you guys that own these cars that run off of E85, recommendation, go get yourself the E85 at the Shell gas station. Listen, this car is running great. It's for sale. Guys, jump on this great deal. I am in AC, freaking cold ass AC. Turn it down a little bit. Yes. My goodness, this is cold. R154 transmission. E85. The engine came out of a JZX100 transmission mounted to the factory engine, which is a great thing. In this car, I have a Walbro 525 liter per hour fuel pump, otherwise known as the Hellcat fuel pump, and this is an E85 fuel pump on here, brand new, not even 20 miles on the pump, and she's running great. Beautiful car. Big injectors. We have 1300cc injectors, and the interior is really nice. Wait, she sounds so spicy. What a spicy unit. Running on low boost right now because the big boost is way too much for these streets. Way too much. Plus my E85 is really on a low right now. I have fuel injector cleaner inside. Doing a little cleanup. I'm gonna go get a haircut, by the way, too. So, fresh haircut, fresh everything on this car. This car is amazing. Yeah guys, this is the car right here. I always wanted a car like this, and now that I had this car all set up, I never thought I would ever sell it. I may change my mind later on down the road, but you never know. I just switched it over to high boost. spicy unit. So yeah, with this car, guys, it's amazing. It's very much amazing. Woo! Behave yourself, bro. Oh man. So guys, yes, you want a car like this, you know, I'm selling this car for 20 grand straight, firm price, nothing else, because this car is hooked up really well, very well. It's mated to a rock solid transmission. Now I gotta be careful how to go over this bump, because I don't want to break the front bumper splitter, bumper chin spoiler.